Welcome to Money Mantra channel. This video is about Kubera Mantra. What is Kubera Mantra? Attain the best blissful state of prosperity by chanting the Kubera Bij mantras. It is known to us that Kubera is the Hindu god of wealth, and just like the Mahalakshmi mantras, if you chant the Kubera Bij mantra during the auspicious occasion, then you will definitely achieve prosperity. You will be able to get rid of all your monetary woes, and it will also help you in embracing life with a positive spiritual potential. There have been many anecdotes regarding the god Kubera showering his blessings and endows human beings with ratnas or gems during the pious occasion of Deepavali. In fact, several shrines, temples and religious places dedicated to Lord Kubera also celebrate about 7 or 9 days of Kubera worship after Diwali has started. What is Kubera Bij mantra? Is it powerful enough to dispel all your monetary gloom? The Kubera Bij mantra can really be attained if you have the desired dedication and tenacity to go through the monosyllables of this mantra, worship, and always remember the benefits of Lord Kubera showers on us. It might be a single Bij or mantra, but it has immense potential to remove all your monetary and financial obstacles, especially if you write the Kubera Bij mantra on a washed and a clean betel leaf and tied up with a yellow thread to attain fortune and luck for your coming future. If you can carry on this ritual for about 21 days, you will largely benefit from attaining the best possible effects of Kubera Dhanarashi mantras. In fact, there have been cases registered in many semi-rural areas of India that regular meditation of Kubera Bija mantra can actually alleviate your worldly sufferings, and initially when you have obstacles in your financial life, they can actually be eradicated with the help of the Kubera Bij chanting. The importance of Kubera Bij mantra also lies in the fact that there are major generational obstacles in your life regarding the attainment of wealth. Then regular chanting of Bij mantras can actually remove these bad effects of your karma. Wealth, religion, virtue, and the effectiveness of Kubera mantra. The Vishuddha Dharmottara Purana, the historical texts, ancient religious scriptures and Vedas, and numerous stories that are disseminated from one culture to another describe the arrogant Kubera as the undisputable lord of wealth. In fact, it is true that if you are blessed with Kubera Kavach or the Kubera mantra, then you can become one of the wealthiest persons in the world. For this reason, the Lord of Wealth worshipped with full potential along with Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. The mythological texts and scriptures also give an idea about how Kubera is also worshipped in Jainism and in Buddhism to attain prosperity that eludes most people. But in Hindu contexts, the Shastras, the rich textual narrations, the Dharma Parvartanas, give much evidence about how to attain the Kubera mantra during the festival of lights. You must chant the Bij mantra right from your heart with full concentration, uttering the syllable erstwhile understanding its full implication. The attainment of Kubera Bija mantra and the description of the god in the terms of socio-cultural ethos. The simple Bija mantra like Om Dham Kuberayah Namaha creates the effect of not just the vibration of the mantra around you, but also negates all those arrows, poison, evil eyes and roadblocks that can create a hindrance to your monetary success. Whether you light a ghee lamp in front of Lord Kubera or utter his Bij mantra, or you simply practice the mantras during 8 consecutive days in a month, the gradual positive effect of the mantra will never leave you. In fact, the importance of the Kubera Bij mantra also lies in the fact that you can actually get rid of severe loans, financial burdens and unnecessary debts by attaining the full implication of the Kubera Bija mantra. Along with the Kubera Bija mantra, if you can concentrate and utter Kubera Mula mantra and Kubera Stotram, then the importance of the gravity of the mantra gets approximately doubled. You will have the complete confidence in you to decide and will be able to chalk out which way money will come to your house. If it is about importance of Kubera Bija mantra, then it is also about scientific utterance and understanding of the mantra. The importance of the mantra lies in the fact that it doesn't have any effect if you are doing wrong to any person. You can utter the Kubera Bija mantra or the shloka for your benefits, but you can never understand the importance if you can want to tarnish the reputation of others. It should be remembered that once in a lifetime you get a chance to rectify your fortune doshas, and you can very well rely on Kubera Bija mantra to get rid of your financial worries, debts, and pave the way towards a better future and prosperity. It is true that your karma decides everything, but the terrific benevolent vibration that Kubera Bija mantra has on your financial aspects can actually make you richer. Firstly, you can attain the basic verbal and cognitive essences of the Bij mantras, and second, you can apply your findings and offerings to the Lord Kubera mantra to your entire life cycle. Richness indicates not only the material wealth and prosperity, but how content and generous you were with the money in your hand by adopting philanthropic attitude towards the world.